Okay, so this is Cool Trains in Montreal here on April 18th, 2026. And this is the 1970s era HO scale layout of the Montreal Vermont and Essex layout, Model Railroad Club. So I'm going to just start here and just pan around some of the newer work that they've done here, especially adding the nice Liberty ship, all the grain elevators. That Liberty ship is cool. And you have this really nice tugboat. And then you have here a more modern, scaled down version of a container ship. And somebody scratch built probably all of this, probably using a 3D printer. All they need to do now is the water. So the port section is really getting fixed up. Here's the barge, another tugboat. Idler flats. And the apron, kind of like in British Columbia. And we have some new work that they've done here with this ridge. Fully scenic with the trees and everything. And the lights are lit on the bridge with a new look bus. Looks really great. In the foreground, of course, you see how they're building it. Not quite finished, but getting there. Looking down this way, it's quite impressive. And here comes a train too.
Juste parce que c'était tout positif, on fait un peu d'art, tu dis, ouais, même comme faire ma main aussi.
Et comme ça, vous savez pas. S'il y a une toi qui décide de ne pas sortir.
Puis ma main, depuis qu'elle a une chambre électrique, quand il nous a sorti. Ouais, je sais.